So now let's see the question number 1. A motorboat going downstream overcome a raft at a point A. Time equal to 60 minutes later, it turned back and after some time passes the raft at a distance 6 km from the point A. Find the flow velocity assuming the duty of the engine to be constant. So in this question it is given that there is a river and suppose the speed of the river is VR and a boat during its motion in downstream means motion of the boat in the direction of the flow of river. Let the speed of the boat during its motion be Vv, and at a point A during its motion it overcome a raft. Suppose it is a raft and raft is flowing with the river, because a raft does not has its own motor, so the raft will move with the speed of river. Let us suppose this is the line of motion of the boat and this is the line of motion of the raft. Now it is given that after the boat move for 1 hour, suppose after 1 hour the boat is here, then after 1 hour the boat turned back on the same line, but I am drawing here. This is during going and this is during back of the motion. Let us suppose that during upstream the speed of the boat is Vb dash, and when it will come back with Vb dash speed, it will somewhere meet the raft again on the same, we can say on the same vertical line. So let us suppose this point as B, this point as C, and this point where raft is present initially is D. It is given in the question that the distance between point A and point C is 6 km. Now if we see the last line of the question, it is given that duty of the engine to be constant. Duty of the engine to be constant means what? It means that speed of raft, it means that speed of boat with respect to river, this quantity is constant. So now we'll see. First we will analyze downstream motion, then we will analyze upstream motion. So during downstream, first from the concept of relative velocity we can say that VBR vector, that is velocity of boat with respect to river, is equal to velocity of boat minus velocity of river. And from here we can say that velocity of boat equal to velocity of boat with respect to river plus velocity of river. Now, so from here speed of boat will be what? Since VBR and VR both are in the same direction, so simply it will be VBR plus VR. This is the speed of boat with respect to ground frame. Now if we will talk about the distance AB, so AB will be equal to VB into time. AB equal to VB into time taken for AB, and in the question it is given that time taken by the boat to cover the distance AB is equal to 1 hour. So VB into 1 hour. I am taking all the velocities in kilometer per hour. So from here I will substitute the value of VB. So VB, what I got? VBR plus VR multiplied by 1. Now we will see it during upstream motion, that is motion BC. BC. So during upstream, I will apply the same formula. So what I will write here, VB dash vector equal to VBR vector plus VR vector. Now velocity of boat with respect to river is leftward and velocity of river is rightward. So speed of boat during upstream will be what? I am taking left direction as positive. So it will be VBR positive and minus speed of river. Distance CB will be what? CB will be speed multiplied by time. And what is the speed here? VB dash into time, where T is the time taken by the boat to go from point A to point C. Now substitute the value of VB dash here. So it will become VBR minus VR into T. Now we will calculate the distance DE. And what will be the distance DE? Distance DE will be equal to speed of the raft VR multiplied by the time taken by the raft to go from D to point E. The boat is going like this one. Raft is also moving. And from B, it is coming back. And here they both are meeting. So the time taken by the raft will be what? 1 hour plus T hour this time. So DE will be equal to VR multiplied by time. And what is the time? 1 hour plus T. So this is our DE. Now from the diagram we can say that DE is equal to what? DE equal to AB minus BC. So from the diagram we will write DE equal to AB minus BC. Now we will substitute all the values here. What DE we got? VR into 1 plus T. And AB we got guys here VBR plus VR minus BC. And what BC we got? BC we got here VBR minus VR into T. Now first we will simplify this. So this will become VR plus VRT equal to VBR plus VR minus VBR into T plus VR into T. So VRT cancel out, VR cancel out. So 0 equal to, take VBR common here. So VBR 1 minus T. Since VBR is constant, since VBR cannot be equal to 0, therefore 1 minus T equal to 0 or T equal to 1 hour. Means time taken by the boat to go from point B to point C will be equal to 1 hour. But in the question they are asking the speed of river. What will be VR? Now listen very carefully. DE we already calculated here. DE equal to VR 1 plus T. And DE is also equal to what? From the diagram, DE is also equal to 6 km. So we will write here DE, this is also equal to 6 km. And T we already calculated 1 hour. So we will put this 1 hour here. So we will write here, we will substitute here. So what we will write? DE equal to VR 1 plus T, and T we got 1. This is equal to 6. So from here VR equal to 6 by 2 or 3 km per hour. This will be our answer.